Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to split test your bridge page videos. This is going to be extremely helpful if you're using ClickFunnels and you're promoting something like Legendary Marketer as an affiliate. This came up yesterday, and I always say if one person has a question, there's probably multiple people that do. So let's jump into the computer here and I'll show you how I split test my bridge page videos to increase conversions and optimize my funnel. All right, so here we are in the ClickFunnels dashboard. If you're using ClickFunnels, hopefully you'll be familiar with this. So if you're an affiliate marketer, whether it's Legendary Marketer or any other program, there's a good chance you're using some sort of bridge page funnel. And at the very least, it'll look like this, where you have a welcome page that has some sort of text or introduction. And then the main purpose is, of course, to capture the email. From there, you automatically forward them to a bridge page, which is going to be a 2 to 3 minute video perhaps that talks about the offer you're promoting. Generally on that page, you're going to have a button that includes your affiliate link where you send them over to, say, like a video sales letter for the product that you're promoting. So as you can see here on my bridge page here, I'm actually running a split test right now where I'm sending half of the people who opt into the control, which is the original bridge page, and I'm sending the other half of the people who opt in to a variation. Okay, it's going to be a bridge page that I'm testing. So first and foremost, we only want to test one thing at a time. On these two pages, you're going to see they look almost identical. The thing that I'm testing here is the video. You can see they have two different videos. If we're doing something like an opt-in page, we can track this right inside of ClickFunnels. But if we don't actually have an opt-in, right, they're not submitting a form, we have to actually track that through our affiliate partner. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do. So first and foremost, we have the welcome screen here. If this was our bridge page, right, let's pretend that this was our bridge page and we only had one bridge page going right now. The way we'd create a split test is to go and create a variation and just create a duplicate page from the original page, because remember, we want to keep these very similar. If we don't test just one thing at a time, we're not going to know what made the difference, right? So then we would go over here and we would we would change the variation page, maybe the video as a bridge page. And then once that was done, we would simply set the traffic to 50-50 and then click apply the changes. Once you find out which one works, you can simply declare that one as the winner, and that will become the new control, and you can start your next split test. So back to the bridge page, right? Back to the bridge page that I am split testing right now. As we see here, if we open this in a new tab, you're going to see that I'm going to actually track this with tracking IDs from my affiliate partner. So the tracking ID on this one, if you can see down at the very bottom of the screen, is organic bridge. And then I'll go over, and if we look at the variation or the other video that I'm testing, if we hover on this and you look down there at the bottom, you're going to see the tracking ID is organic 38K. So the way we set that up is first go over to Legendary Marketer. If we go over to the affiliates section here, we go to our funnels. And for instance, I'm promoting the Business Builder Challenge with this one. And I go to my affiliate links. If you want to send people to the sales page, which is going to be the most common scenario, after they watch your bridge page video, then you just add tracking tags right here. So I would make one organic bridge. I would add that, copy that. Now if we can see that link, it's going to have organic bridge as the tracking ID. And then I'll create a second one, which would be bridge, whatever it was, bridge 38K. Just basically something to differentiate the two clicks, because what's going to happen is Legendary Marketer is going to track these clicks, and if someone purchases, it will attribute that purchase back to this tracking ID. So if we can add that, go ahead and copy the link again. Now if we go ahead and paste this link, you can see that the tracking ID is bridge 38K. And of course, all we're going to do here is we're going to edit each of the pages, and we're just going to put the unique affiliate link on each one. So for instance, this one will be tracking ID organic bridge. We'll do it on both buttons on this page. Go ahead and save that. Then we'll go back and we'll do the same thing on the variation, but we'll use the 38K tracking ID. Then inside Legendary Marketer, what we can do is we can actually go to the reports. And once again, this is under the affiliates section here. And what you can do is you can actually run a report based on tracking ID. So for example, if I was tracking this over the last week, what I would do is I would set the date from the 15th through the 22nd, make sure I have by tracking ID, and then I could run the report. And then you can scroll down and get some information there, and you can get some ideas as to which one of your tracking IDs is actually performing better based on number of sales per hit or so on and so forth. So anyways, really the bottom line is we don't really care about anything other than which bridge page video is making us the most money, right? Because the messaging could change, right? The messaging could tell us one thing in one video, and that makes us buy the Business Builder Challenge but not go up the value ladder. And in the variation, maybe less people actually buy the Business Builder Challenge, but a majority of those people who do actually go up the value ladder, right? So really, the only thing we care about is which one makes us the most money. But that's how you track them. Hopefully that was helpful. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next video.